Exciting nga naman ngayon for sure na natin dito sa GH Mall. And Brent, River, you guys were part of MMNF last year. You guys watch every year. Ano ba dapat ang reason kung bakit supportahan natin ang mga Pilipinong pelikula?
Siyempre, super important to support mga Filipino movies, lalo na sa MMFF. Siyempre, part rin to ng tradition ng mga Pilipino na every December, every Pasko, we all get together at manood ng mga MMFF movies. At siyempre, pinapakita rin yung talento ng mga Pilipino, yung mga aktor, mga filmmaker, producer, storyteller, and pinapakita rin natin na kaya rin natin. So, yeah.
Ralph, ikaw! Sa akin naman siguro, sa dami ng problema ang hinaharap ng sambayan ng Pilipino ngayon, deserve naman natin sumaya, di ba? So I think MMFF is really the perfect opportunity to just enjoy, bond with your family, and of course, to promote pelikulang Pilipino din.
Brent? Ayun, ako nasabi na nila pareho, pero I think iba talaga pag gawang Pinoy. Dekalidad, talagang magiging proud ka na, uy, Pinoy ako kasi yung 8 films sa MMFF, parang you can't miss out on any of these movies. Kaya hopefully this MMFF po, supportan po natin all 8 entries. Yeah.
Okay, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Thank you boys for joining us this afternoon. Samahan niyo lang muna kami dito dahil pupunta na po tayo sa exciting part! Sa ating announcement of the first batch of official entries for this year's festival. But before that, gusto po natin acknowledge ang ating MMFF Executive Committee for joining us in today's celebration. Kasama po natin si Yusek Frisco S. San Juan Jr. Thank you very much po. Kasama rin po natin si Honorable Aloysia Johnson Lim. Mr. Thomas M. Orbos. Mr. Jose Javier Reyes is in the house. Direk Joey. Kasama rin po natin ang ating MTRCB Chairman, Miss Yorela Maria Lala Soto Antonio. Chairman Lala is here. Mr. Dennis Lorenzo B. Pinlac. Kasama rin po natin. And PM General Anthony A. Abirin. Kasama rin po natin. Mr. Jesse Ejercito. Tita Boots Anson Roma is also with us. And Mr. Wilson Y. Tieng. Sino pa, Michael?
Let's also acknowledge the presence of Miss Maria Angeliza Lopez. Yes, at Miss Evelyn Advincula. Miss Irene Jose. Mr. James Bartolome. Miss Rowena Capulong Reyes, PhD. Miss Loris Guillen. Mr. Roy Iglesias. Mr. Jose Joey Romero IV. Mr. Victor Villegas. Mr. June Romana. Mr. Paolo Villaluna. Mr. Noel Ferrer. And Attorney Rochelle Macapili-Ona.
Yay!
Of course, we'd also like to acknowledge the president of Top Flex Media and Entertainment, Mr. Alex Paminduan. Also, our executives of GH Mall and Ortigas Malls, Architect Rene Bacani and Miss Monique Castañeda, and Mr. James Candelaria and Miss Kathy Dueñas.
And at this point, we have special announcement. Magbabalik po ang student shorts ngayong MMFF 52. And to tell us more, let's call in from the Film Academy of the Philippines, Direk Paulo Villaluna, and from the Film Development Council of the Philippines, Direk Jose Javier Reyes. Please join us on